Where does space begin? At roughly 100 kilometers up, the Karman line marks the threshold where flight gives way to orbit. Named for aerospace pioneer Theodor von Karman, it's the altitude where aerodynamic lift can no longer sustain aircraft without impossible speeds. As air thins exponentially with altitude, wings lose bite. Beyond, only orbital velocity can provide the support to stay aloft. The 100-kilometer mark is a practical convention, not a razor-thin border. Physics changes gradually through a layered, shifting atmosphere above. Karman estimated the height where an aircraft would need orbital speed to generate enough lift, effectively transitioning from airplane to spacecraft. Around 100 kilometers sits the mesopause, edging the thermosphere, where temperatures rise yet density plummets, complicating any clean definition of space. Objects re-entering here encounter enough thin air to heat dramatically, demonstrating that space's boundary depends on speed, shape, and atmospheric conditions. Early-sounding rockets and the X-15 flirted with the threshold, some surpassing 100 kilometers, fueling debates and awarding astronaut wings. In the United States, 50 miles, about 80 kilometers, qualifies for astronaut wings, differing from the internationally popular 100-kilometer Karman line. Recent analyses suggest the functional boundary varies near 80 to 90 kilometers, depending on solar activity, atmospheric tides, and vehicle trajectory. Legal definitions matter. Where does national airspace end and outer space freedom begin? Treaties sidestep specifics, leaving practical norms to prevail. From ground, space feels distant. From orbit, Earth's thin atmosphere looks fragile, reminding us boundaries are conveniences guided by physics. Suborbital tourism vehicles crest near or above the Karman line, offering minutes of microgravity and sweeping views, sparking classification debates. Very low Earth orbit missions push altitudes downward, using propulsion and aerodynamics to counter drag, illustrating continuum between atmosphere and space. Defining altitude isn't trivial. GPS, barometric models, and geopotential height disagree, so reported crossings of 100 kilometers carry uncertainty bars. Whichever number you choose, the Karman line symbolizes our leap from air to orbit, inspiring exploration and reminding us Earth's fragility.